sister, he took them to the salon he had just recently begun working at, Uniquely Used Salon, and he'd given them makeovers. And then he dropped them off and he went back to his apartment where he met his roommate.
She indicated that on Christmas Eve, he had told her he was going out to meet someone, that he would probably be home late, and that he left the house at about 5:30.
And then about an hour later, he messaged her and said, "No, don't wait up. If my mom calls, tell her I'm sleeping. I'm going out to have some fun tonight."
The Michigan State Police Computer Crimes Unit was able to gain access to Kevin's phone.
And that opened up information about who he was talking to and when and what his plans were.